Just in 2019 Audi RS5. Really sharp looking car. Good airbags. Sorry, it's a tight space over here. We have a lot of cars in the yard. Really nice car. Got some new parts included with it, rear bumper. This is the damaged area right here. Need a quarter section, maybe a skin. Tires blown out, got a little damage to the rim. Suspension looks like it's intact. Good airbags. Runs and drives, a really nice car. Be on the website soon. You may consider fixing it, I don't know yet, but we'll see. Contact us if you're interested.